Over the years, our relationships with the internet have evolved. This goes for every industry. So let's talk about how tourism has adapted to people's changing online preferences. Online travel agents have become a crucial way to gain exposure, as many people take to more convenient virtual platforms for their travel planning. Online travel agents give accommodation providers a secondary platform to advertise their service and handle any admin such as bookings and confirmations for them, making managing hostels, campgrounds, motels and hotels so much simpler. This includes third-party platforms that give customers the option to compare prices and plan itineraries with car rentals, activities, accommodation, and flight options on display. Online travel agent platforms showcase many different options for the customer, often with streamlined inbuilt booking systems and exposure to other tourism destinations nearby. So, what does this mean for you? Investing in an online travel agent does not replace the need for your own website. You may still need to invest in a balanced, multi-channel marketing strategy, and your online presence will need time and attention. But as technology has evolved, so has the global use of online travel agents, with very few restrictions when it comes to what accommodation can be listed on a third-party agent. There is also the benefit of no upfront costs. Once a room has been booked, the travel agent will take a percentage. Travelers can filter the many options based on preferences and use the online travel agent as their main point of contact. When it comes to whether this is right for your business, there's a few advantages and disadvantages to be aware of before making the decision. Advantages include reductions in your online marketing spend. The online agent will invest in marketing and advertising to attract potential international customers, making it a low-cost way to advertise your business. Online travel agents are a popular tool for customers who like to compare prices and services in one trustworthy location. With a good agent, you can give customers an enjoyable experience through the website experience, including reviews that may give customers the confidence and validation to book. Also consider the possible disadvantages. For example, some online travel agents charge on every sale, and that tends to range from 10 to 20% of the gross cost. There can be restrictive terms and conditions imposed by online agents such as guest cancellations and automatic room reselling policy. If your business features on a range of online platforms, you may need to find a way or software to manage room availability across them all. This can be time-consuming and labor-intensive.